Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring a recent partnership between Ericsson and Razer Labs that is setting a new standard in the mining industry. With us are Keren Ronen, Director of Business Development through Partnerships at Ericsson.
Hi, Liel.
Hi. Kirstin Smith, Director of Business Development for Mining Sector at Ericsson.
Hi, Liel.
Hi, Kirstin. I'm Liel Anisenko, Director of Marketing at Razer Labs. Razer Labs is a leading provider of predictive maintenance solutions for mining and other industrial sectors. Our flagship product, DataMind AI, powered by AI sensor fusion technology, forecasts equipment failures, enhances operational efficiency, and staff safety. So, Keren, let's start at the beginning. Can you please share with us how this Ericsson and Razer Labs partnership came around and what are we aiming to achieve together?
Of course. And let me start, Liel, by saying that we in Ericsson are very happy to have Razer Labs joining our partnership program. Now, this specific partnership's goal is to leverage Ericsson private 5G as infrastructure for Razer Labs AI-based predictive maintenance solutions. Together, we provide the mining industry with an innovative solution that enhance operational efficiencies as well as safety and sustainability.
Razer Labs' DataMind AI flagship product utilizes AI sensor fusion technology to fuse and analyze data from various sensors like vibration, pressure, temperature, cameras, and others. And this is done to predict equipment failures and to reduce unplanned shutdown times. And we have actually seen incredible results in the field, but above all, we're extremely proud of increasing staff safety on the mining sites, as well as having positive environmental impact. Razer Labs deploys from hundreds to thousands of sensors on a single mining site. It's like having 1,000 sets of eyes looking at the machinery equipment and ensuring the machine health at mining sites. So to ensure the continuous machine visibility and data integrity and security of the data, it is crucial to have reliable network connection.
Now, integrating Razer Labs solution into private 5G cellular networks ensures that all that amount of data is reliably transferred, even when we speak of remote areas such as the ones that conveyor and crush lines are located at.
So Keren, from partnership perspective, how do you see the collaboration evolving in future, and what are the key milestones that you are aiming for?
I personally truly believe that the lower investment yet high profit solution which we offer to the market is very valuable to those companies who are looking to enhance efficiencies and drive savings. So now that we have started to approach the market together, I hope to see many joint customer engagement within the mining industry, as well as other verticals that Razer Labs are targeting, such as energy and some.
Kirstin, turning to you. You lead business development for mining sector at Ericsson. Could you explain the role of private cellular networks in mining and how it's being received by the mining industry?
Sure. There are a number of key advantages for private networks within mining. To name a couple of them, one of them being that private networks is able to cover wide remote environments. And additionally to that, private networks have the ability to connect many devices and sensors and ultimately support a large volume of data in a very secure, standardized solution. And consequently, the mining environment, the mining industry has really adopted private networking. They've been the early adopters, and they've used it to address their needs that include productivity, safety, and environmental challenges.
And looking ahead, what are some of the challenges or opportunities that you anticipate as you expand the use of AI and 5G in mining industry?
We see AI as a key innovative technology for mining, especially coming up in 2024. AI can optimize the entire mining process, from exploration to extraction and processing. Examples of that, the machine learning algorithms can analyze geological data to pinpoint the best areas for resource extraction. Additionally, autonomous drilling and blasting equipment can operate 24/7, therefore increasing productivity. And, I will add that AI, in order to be most effective, really needs 5G technology so it can provide faster access to data and allow the AI systems to process and analyze more data quicker.
Thank you. As we wrap up, what's next for this partnership, Keren, and the future of mining operations?
It is clear that the potential of AI and 5G in mining is vast. The plan is to continue innovating, expand our offering in order to meet the evolving needs of the sector.
And with each step forward, our goal remains the same: to make mining operations more efficient, safe, and sustainable. And we're really excited for what the future holds. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your insights. It's clear that the partnership between Ericsson and Razor Labs is not just revolutionizing mining industry, but also setting a precedent for the use of technology in enhancing industrial efficiency and safety.
Thank you very much, Liel, for having us.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, ladies. Thank you.